Okay, so let's move to the next questions. In questions number 2, so the question is element of selenium. Yeah, selenium or Se has atomic number 34 in periodic table is located in what period and also what group. Now, to answer the questions, actually this is almost same, yeah, with the previous questions, number 1. So the first thing that you have to do is determine the electron configuration of selenium, yeah. So based on its atomic number, selenium has an electron configurations is starting from Ar, yeah, or argon. Now we would like to write the shortcut, yeah, the shortcut one. So it starts from argon and then continue with 4s2. Yeah, so this is actually there are 18 electrons in Ar, and after Ar continue with 4s2. It's already 20 electrons, and then continue with 3d10. Okay, 18 add with 2 electrons, added with 10 electrons, and then it equals to, alright, 30, yeah, 30 electrons. So there are 4 electrons left. Now we put all of the 4 electrons in 4p4. Okay, so the total is already 34. Okay, 34 electrons. Yeah. Okay, I remove this. Right. Okay, next, yeah, after that we determine also the valence electron. So the valence electron is for p4, yeah, and look at the previous configuration. There is also 4 coefficient in here. So the valence electron is 4s2 and 4p4. Yeah, valence electron. Okay, valence electrons is 4s2 and 4p4. Now, from these valence electrons, we know that the coefficient is 4. Therefore, the period is same with the number of shells or same with the coefficient, yeah. Now, so the period is equals to 4. And how to determine the groups, yeah, so groups same with the number of valence electrons, yeah, the valence electron is 2 add with 4. Okay, the number of valence electron is 2 add 4 equals 6, yeah. So the group is group 6A. Yeah. Okay, so the answer is element selenium or Se in periodic table is located in period 4 and 6A. Okay, this is the answer of number 2. So let's move to the next questions in number 3. Nah, Look at the atomic model, and then this element in periodic system is located in what period and what group. Actually, the concept is almost same, yeah, that a group is same with the number of valence electrons. Okay, and then period is same with the number of shell. Nah, but in these questions, or in this case, the question is only provide an atomic model of an atom, or an element. It's different with the previous questions. So what we have to do with this, the first thing that you have to do is you have to know about the structure of the atom. Do you still remember what is the structure of the atom? Okay, let's review about it, So in the center of the atoms, in the atomic model, is there are a big circle in here. So the big circle is called nucleus. Nucleus, or the center of atom. The atom particles. And then in nucleus, it is surrounded by some orbits in here, some circle again. Now, the orbits, we can say this orbit as the shells. So this one is shells. So in this atomic model, there are 4 shells. Starting from first shell, and this is the second, the third, and the last one is fourth. 4 shells. Now, and after that, in shells, there are several dots in here, and the dots we called it as electrons. Now, so the dots in this atomic model represent as electrons. Now, from this we know, and then we can determine which one is valence electrons and which one is shells. So it's clear, based on this atomic model, there are 4 shells. So in this atomic model, there are 4 shells in the atomic model. And then what is valence electrons? So valence electron is the electrons that place or located in the outermost shell, or the last shell. So the last shell is the 4th shell. So you have to count, how much electrons in the outermost shells, or the last shell. Now, so in the 4th shell, there are how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jadi ada 8 elektron valensi, There are 8 valence electrons. Nah, so based on the concept, we can conclude that this element is located in period 4, because there are 4 shells in the atomic model, and the group is 8A. 8A, because it have 8 valence electrons. Okay, so this is the answer. remember that if you find the question like this, which is only provide atomic model, remember that the elements is exactly located in group A, not group B, because this is the old theory based on configuration electron by Niels Bohr, and in group B is only represent in electron configuration based on Aufbau or in the SPDF format. So when you find these questions like atomic models, so make sure that the group that you choose or your right is group A, not group B.